Hi, my name is Mark. This is my wife, Dawn. We just finished the master's class with Debbie Morris, and it's really changed our lives a lot. We have the way we think about what we eat when we go out, the meal preps. My wife is a great cook. She's been doing a good job of making things that I never thought I would eat, but it tastes really good. Um, Went into this program not wanting to lose weight, but I ended up losing 26 pounds. We went dairy-free, gluten-free, and sugar-free, and
Bad oil free?
bad oil-free. And it's not really a diet. It's just a change of mindset on what we eat and how we eat.
I just want to say Debbie is so full of knowledge. It's incredible. And I just absorbed every second of it and just sat in awe of all of the information we learned. It was a great class.
Her and John, they are amazing. Um, very, very godly people who love Jesus with all their heart. You can tell they love the people that they are ministering and teaching.
Hi, my name is Debbie Bird, and just took the master class at Faith Chapel, and I've learned so much from Debbie. I've learned that I need to cut out dairy and gluten and everything that I was eating that was bad for me, and by doing that, I have lost 14 pounds so far. And I haven't even exercised, but this is really a great program, and I hope it will help others.
Hi, I'm Donna. I just got done with a master class, and one of the biggest things that I learned from the class is just all the bad things that we eat in our normal diet, and how bad they are for you, and what good things that you can put in place, and to make ourselves feel healthier and work better.
Hey, hi, my name is Randy Everlin, and I just finished the master class that Debbie Morris taught here at Faith Chapel. And I am so excited that I learned so many things from her, and I'm getting ready to implement more of those things. I've been studying health and nutrition for about 2 decades, and I love to transfer that information to other people as I learn and as I grow. I transfer that to other people. We have to take care of the temple of the Holy Spirit so that we can serve the Lord in the way He has designed us to do. If we don't feel good, if we're unhealthy, if things aren't going well in our own health journey, then we can't help other people. So I'm very excited to take this information out to my friends and family and anybody else who I run into that I can help them. And I can't wait to get into the gym. So I'll see you there, Debbie. Thank you so much.
I'm sad to see this master's class wrap up, but I had such an amazing time. I had met some incredible people here doing these master's classes at Faith Chapel, and all of the different locations that we do it at is such a blessing. It's really what I feel like God's called us to do, is to get out into the community and to build disciples of health so that they can go out and they can start changing lives right along with us. So I pray that you'll hear our messages, and that maybe you'll decide that this should be part of your church or part of your business or just part of your community, and that Integrity Training Systems can come and help you in the same way. God bless you.